Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on LinkedIn. Now, as you know, LinkedIn is a famous platform where you can interact with real, qualified, and high prospects. So, here, this is my platform, my profile, Marlon Emmanuel account. And in order to edit your profile, all you simply have to do is go to the top where you have this pencil-like icon. You're going to tap on it. On tapping on it, you'll have the option of changing your first name, last name, additional, where I currently put Emmanuel because Emmanuel is my middle name. Further down, you can go and add name and pronunciation. You can put your pronoun. I put he. That's a bit weird sometimes. Anyway, I put he. Further down, you can put a headline where you can put a brief description of what you do. So if you're an internet marketer, you can go digital marketer, a trainer, it's up to you. And here I've just added something extra, which I then need to delete. Just delete this. Yes, because everything has to be intact. When I'm done, I'm going to tap on done from there. I can further go down and put my current position in the job that I have, or if I have a business, I say the position that I hold in the business. I can go and add other positions, which I'll leave for another video. So I'll do it, no, thank you, and so forth. So I can go down and add more information. Now, when you're putting information about your current job, they normally ask you for the type of employment. As you can see, is it full-time? Is it part-time? Or self-employed? Now, I leave this up to you for you to choose. You can then put the location of your job and the type of job. Is it on-site, or is it hybrid or remote? It's just totally up to you. Now let me just go back, exit this, and discard. Yes. So I go back to the main platform. Here you can go further down and put education. So I studied at the University of Anglia Ruskin. You can go deeper by putting other universities that you have studied at. UK, I'm originally from Jamaica, but currently a UK citizen. So you can put that. Then you put your address in your location, whether in the UK and in Dagenham, whatsoever. When you're done, you're going to tap on done, and then further down, you can go and put your information of contact details, whether it be your email address, whether it be your phone number, which I do have. After that, you can go further down and you can put a website that you would like your contacts or your prospects to contact you through. Here I've put a link to my Linktree account where I have different data that people can interact with me with, and so forth. So when you're happy with all these stuff, it's funny, when you're happy with that, you can click on save at the bottom. But let me just double check. Now, another feature that you can keep in mind when editing your profile is to all LinkedIn members. Now, when you tap on all LinkedIn members, you get the option of allowing other people to see your content. Your content only on LinkedIn members directly connected to you. The other option is your network, only linked members connected to you up to 3 degrees away from you. I tapped on all LinkedIn members signing to LinkedIn, including everyone in my network. That's the best option in order to get more prospects. Further down, just double check that everything is on point. When you're done, you're going to tap on save. After you're done, you're going to get the reading that everything has been saved. Then that's how you have a edited profile on LinkedIn. So I hope you have benefited a lot from this video. Do not forget to follow me on LinkedIn and subscribe to my channel, where I go through various tutorials in using softwares, phones, application, desktop application, you name it. So please subscribe, like the video, share with your family and friends, and let's stick together and work for a better future. Thank you for watching. Chat with you later. Bye.